Welcome to the Shortwave Radio channel, and just wanted to share the GoFundMe page for WRMI also. I think it's important to, if you like what is on WRMI, if you like the relays, what it is, whatever it is, Radio Prague, Radio Slovakia, Radio Ukraine is there. You have Voice of Mongolia, you have the World of Radio by Glenn Hauser. You got music shows, you got Texas Radio Shortwave, you got a lot of stuff that comes out of WRMI on different frequencies. I think if you want to continue having WRMI on the air, because in North America particularly, bands will be very quiet if they would leave the airwaves. I'm going to share once again this GoFundMe page. I shared the main page where you could actually donate, but I'm going to share this GoFundMe page also. It's in the description below. Just click the link and you can donate and basically help out for hurricane damage. They didn't have any insurance, so it's costing them a lot to fix things and get some frequencies on the air. Still some are off. It's going to take a little while before everything's back. So if you think it's an important service to have WRMI, have its relays of different stations, do donate. It is certainly going to be appreciated. So check that out on this page, and whatever you give. They're looking at a goal of 60,000. I have a hard time thinking they'll ever get there. But, if they can raise at least some money to pay for some of the, the fixing, the repairs of the damages, at least it's a good thing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.